2210 Faraon, and we're still in St. Joe. So I'm going to show you some of the St. Joseph.
St. Joseph.
I've been saying St. Joe.
Yeah, St. Joe is what everybody calls it. St. Joseph is what the map would say.
So the street is great. There's lots of huge houses, really well taken care of. Kind of show you across the street here.
And then there's some smaller ones.
Yeah, check out that big house over there.
Really big one on the corner here. That one on the corner is a huge brick mansion. You can't really see it with the camera for the trees. And then over here on the other side of the
yeah.
You've got a huge, like a yellow brick.
Yeah.
Mansion, and a big white one here.
So we're talking like literally next to mansions.
Yeah.
And this one is partially rehabbed, so we'll get to see some of the work.
The house next door right here, I spoke with the owner a couple times. That's a 2-bedroom house. He's getting $900 a month rent.
Nice. And this one's how many bedroom, bath?
This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath.
Okay.
Full bath. And it has a detached garage.
Nice.
Which he doesn't have. And a fenced-in backyard. At least it will be fenced in. Color scheme on this one, I think is going to be real dope. Is white base with black trim.
Oh, nice.
And then we'll have like this, almost like this color.
Yeah.
Of the shutters. So it'll be white base, black trim, and then like a dark red, like a maroonish
Oh, cool.
base.
Yeah.
So we'll have like that'll be the front door color. Some of the woodwork and stuff around that, we'll trim it off a little bit of that red.
Yeah.
White, black numbers. Siding and everything's all in really good shape. There's a lot of prep work to be done. They're going to be prepping their ass off before they paint this, but that's the way it is. Good solid wood siding. All original hardwood floors throughout. We're keeping all original hardwood floors throughout. Trim. We got all new windows going in. We don't have the lower windows in yet. As you see, we've got a couple windows on order. Hey brother, how you doing? Sorry.
These floors are good.
These are good floors. They're all going to be resanded, resurfaced. You need something? Okay.
Big kitchen.
These cabinet doors have been pulled off. We're going to reface these cabinets, paint them white. So we're taking the cabinets off. We'll do sand them, primer and paint them. And then we got new hardware. That's why they took all the hinges and all that stuff off. We're going to get new hardware up there. See? 1 second, Victor. 1 second. I'll be right there. This is the back area right here. This is where the laundry's going to be. The laundry was over there. So we're moving that in, so the laundry's going to be literally right here.
Oh, nice.
And this is was a half bath. And we're taking it all up and going to make it a full bath.
Oh, nice.
We're going to put our full bath over there. This cabinet's going to be removed. We'll put a full bath over there with some storage. And we'll have our vanity stool and everything. It's all set up.
Nice.
It's covered. But,
New window.
Yeah, new window right there. Most of the windows are new. We're missing a handful that just haven't come in yet. Updated service panel. This is a 200 amp service panel. So we have updated service coming in the building and all the way throughout. You take a quick peek back there. You got backyard.
Oh, yeah.
It's a fenced-in yard. Of course, we've removed part of the fence to be able to get in and out of here with the dumpster and everything. We've got the 1-car garage. We put a new roof on the building already. You can see the garage roof. That's a brand new roof. New roof on the house as well. They've got a bunch of doors and trim in the van. They're going to be new doors and trim throughout. I haven't decided yet if I'm going resurface this top to make it look brand new or if I'm actually going to go in and put a new top in. So I'm debating. We are going to put a dishwasher in. It's a dishwasher, stove, fridge. I'm also debating on the placement of the stove.
Yeah.
We may put it over here and then put the microwave and stuff here. So this is all open. Nice thing, we've got open access flooring underneath in the basement.
Okay.
So super easy to do whatever we want to make changes wise. So you want to go? I guess we can go to the basement first.
Oh, lights, that's exciting.
Yep. We've got main water service coming in the building. This is all the polyurethane PEX type product. This is a Goodman newer furnace that's here. We'll put an AC unit. We'll put a new AC unit in. I think the furnace is approximately 10 years old. I'll get the numbers for you for sure, but this is a good furnace that'll stay. We've got updated supply plumbing and drain plumbing. This is PVC drain stack. New window put in down here. All this wiring is kind of jankety right now.
Yeah.
It's all going to be into junction boxes and mounted correctly. Just kind of watch your head as you're coming through here. I'm going to say there was a... Okay, now. All of that here. There we go.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
It's a whole other room.
Yeah, it's another room. You know, I think the last people kind of used it as a hangout or something.
Yeah.
Obviously, we're not. We're just going to clean it up and paint it.
Yeah.
This is the dirt portion. Let's see. And you can kind of look in here and see the foundation wall. Look at how straight and solid those bricks are.
Yeah.
I mean, that's a beautiful foundation, and that's all the way around.
Yeah.
So the foundation's super solid. The dirt, we're just going to take this dirt and like shove it back up in there and close this door. We're obviously going to leave the door here unless you ever need access in there to get to something, you'll have it. But and then this just becomes a room, you know, a non-conforming room for whatever they want to do. If they want to put somebody down here or
that kind of stuff always helps with rentals and
oh yeah. So it's a nice non-conforming space. This right here, again, you can finish this out. That's a full egress window, which means you could technically finish this out in the living space if you wanted to. We're not. We're just going to clean it up, paint the walls, paint the floors, and get all this stuff up, obviously. But decent little storage closet here. You can see this used to be the actual back access outside of the house at one point.
Oh,
These
wow.
stairs have been cut off, right? So this is now back door, and you can come in here. You can see a bunch of the new wiring.
Yeah.
So the house has all been rewired. You can see a lot of the new plumbing and stuff here. If you kind of look up there, there's a lot of that bathroom, laundry room now, full bathroom. So anyway, lots of updates and stuff. We're about, I'd say, halfway through the rehab. We'll go upstairs and kind of see where they're starting to make some ground on the finishing.
Yeah.
Watch your head here.
I wish I had to.
You had that problem.
But thanks for thinking I'm tall.
All right. We'll head upstairs. Fresh paint, but not. It's been dried. It's dried, so we're going with the white trim, gray base. All new doors and trim upstairs. This is the closet.
It's nice.
We kind of build the closet and the shelves and rods and stuff on this one side. Over here on this side is just going to stay open.
Yeah.
And people can kind of use it however they want. We were considering building closets on both sides because that's, I think, how they originally had the room. But we'll let
them decide. Yeah.
Yep. So hardwood floors. Again, we're refinishing all these hardwood floors. New windows have been installed. You can see the roof on the actual house. And we'll clean off this debris from installing the windows. But brand new 50-year roof on the house. This one, we need to install the 2 windows there, but got the closet back there. So 3 bedrooms and 1 full bath upstairs. And we've got, oh, sorry. Go ahead. This bathroom, not much to see now, but it's going to be resurfaced, This one we're resurfacing this white, and then we'll take tile all the way up to the ceiling up here and put new hardware, new fixtures and hardware in. New vanity sets right there. New toilet will go in. Or is that the new one? Oh, that is.
Looks
the
pretty
new one.
good.
Yeah, that's the new one. Okay, cool. And then in here.
Oh, is this the floor?
Yeah, this is the third bedroom. We got another bedroom in here. Excuse me, Victor. We'll be out here real quick. This is the new flooring that's going in. You can see this. I like it.
Yeah. Is this your standard that you use in the properties?
Not necessarily standard, just based on the color scheme. So
Okay.
the gray's a little darker.
Okay.
This is a little bit darker.
Do you always use
floor.
LVP?
Yeah. I like doing LVP. Whenever we can't redo the hardwoods, like in this case, we had subfloor in here, so it wasn't hardwood floor. So we put this on. Now, if it was hardwood floors, my man right here behind you, he's a red expert. This man's a hardwood floor expert. Him and his crew, they come through and they get it, bro, really nice. So
Nice.
You'll see once this is done, the rest of this is hardwoods all the way through.
Yeah.
We just did that up here because this was subfloor. It had carpet in it before. So.
Very cool.
Yep. Very good. Thanks, Victor. Thank you, bro. And then this is the flooring. You can see this is going to be the flooring in the bathroom.
Oh.
This is the flooring in the bathroom. This is a waterproof rigid core. Let's pull this out.
That's alright. I can just do this little
Yeah,
window of it. Oh, there it
yeah.
goes. Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's a nice look.
Yeah.
And it's got
Nice
the
and bright.
underlayment, waterproof, stain resistant, waterproof.
Perfect.
Yeah, it's a good locking one, and then the actual tile for the walls, I'm sure, is downstairs, but it's a very similar pattern. Hey, Victor, did you need me for anything?
All right. Give you one last glance out the front door. Tons of big, huge houses all around. I'll give you one last look. All right, 2210 Faraon.